some hoops, some fluff balls, bean bags and a spot. This is going to be the area that all the items are going to go in. So we're going to have some fluff balls in there and some bean bags. If you don't have any fluff balls or bean bags, then you can use teddies, rolled up socks or any kind of toys that you've got in the house. This is going to be my area. And with a spot, which we will use later, I'll explain then, okay? But for now, this is my area, so I'm going to start in my area. And I am going to walk, first of all, over to collect one item at a time, take it back and put it in my area. And you're going to do this until all your items have gone, okay? So once all the items are gone from the middle and they're in your area, then we can stop, okay? And we're going to count how many items we've got in your area, okay? Are we ready? Okay, make sure everything's ready. If you haven't got a hoop for your area, then you could use a cushion or you could use a basket to keep all your items in. As long as they don't move around and you know that they are yours, then that is great, okay? Are we ready? On your marks, get set, go. Make sure you pick up only one item at a time. Put it in your basket, in your hoop, in your cushion, anything like that. Just keep doing that, okay? Get those arms moving when you're walking. Make sure your legs are moving. Keep your head up if you can. When you're picking up your items, just so you don't fall over. And keep it going. Don't forget, only one item at a time. No cheating. And we just keep going until they are all done. Ooh. Last one. And stop. Okay? Well done, everyone. Now that we've got all our items in our area, if you're playing against someone else, then compare how many items you've got to them, okay? So this time, we're going to do exactly the same, but instead of walking, can you think of something else that we could do? I am going to do some skipping. So I am going to go to this empty hoop, and I'm going to skip across. So as long as I use my opposite arm, opposite leg, skip across, again, collect one item, and then skip back, and put it in the hoop, okay? And we're going to do that exactly the same until everything is gone from the other side. Are we ready? On your marks, get set, off you go. Remember to skip to the hoop and skip back, okay? Get those arms moving. Legs nice and high, and only collecting one item at a time. Keep it going, we're nearly done. If you can go a bit faster, go a bit faster. If you need to slow it down, then that's okay as well. Only two more items left. Who's going to get them? Let's keep it going. Last one. And stop. Excellent. Well done, everyone. Now we're going to use our spot. If you don't have a spot, don't worry. You could use a tea towel or a cushion again, okay? where all the items are and where my items will be going. And this time, I'm going to start in my area. I'm going to run over to collect an item. So I'm going to run, collect one item, stand on the spot, and I'm going to throw and try and get it into the hoop. Okay? Again, you're going to keep doing this until all the items have gone, okay? So, make sure you get those arms moving, get those legs moving, and a nice gentle throw, opposite arm, opposite leg, into the hoop. If you're not quite sure of throwing, that's okay. Then maybe try and roll it if it's a ball or some rolled up socks, okay? Again, we're going to keep going until all the items have gone. On your marks, get set, go. Again, only one item at a time. And again, if you don't worry, if you don't get it in the hoop, just keep going. Oh, excellent, well done. If you can, use your right hand on one throw. Once you've got it in, excellent, move it on to the next one. And then use your left hand to throw it in, okay? Excellent. If they fall out, don't worry. Just throw. If it falls out, go and collect it and put it back in. I'm going to try and roll this one. Oh. Oh, got that one in. Well done. Keep it going. If you can go faster, even better. If you need to slow it down, that's fine. Okay. We're nearly there. Only 3 more items left. Who's going to get them all in that area? Excellent. Really good work, guys. Last one. Are we going to get it in the hoop? Great. Excellent. Well done, everyone. I hope you've enjoyed playing Crazy Keepers with me today. Well done, everyone. And thank you for joining us with Active Time. For more ideas, please visit active.wales or follow us on Facebook and Twitter. Bye.